Hey guys, it's Brock Tetman here. We're working on my 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 with a 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel. We're installing stage 2 dynamite diesel 75 horsepower injectors from South Central Diesel. Let's get to it. So off the start here, we're going to disconnect the ground cables. Then we got to remove this intake plenum deal and the throttle linkage. There's a little plug here down on the bottom side of this throttle linkage. One little easy clip right there and it pulls right out. We'll just put this right over here. Now we'll work on getting the valve cover out. Shouldn't be too hard. Next step will be to pull off this connector down here on the injection pump. Pull that off and just get it out of the way, kinda. Pull off your pump tap. Some pickups might not have that. This one has a edge comp box on it, is why it has it. And then we'll pull out this bolt right here on each cylinder, so you can pull out the injector lines and injectors. And then we'll go through and we'll remove all these lines, go into the injectors, and then all of them down there on the injection pump too. Don't forget to shove something down in the intake so no dirt gets in there. Once you get the front three loosened up, you can pull that one out, and that'll give you a lot more room to get to the back one. So now what we're needing to do is pull out these crossover pipes. So one thing you can do is you can stick a needle nose pair of pliers in there and pull them out if they're pretty loose. Next step is you want to pull one of the bolts out of your intake manifold thing and thread it into the top of the injector and pull it out. One injector's out. 5 to go. One thing you need to make sure of is make sure that all the copper washers stay on the end of the injector. If they aren't on there, you need to go down into the injector hole and fish it out with a pick. Injectors are out now, and so we'll take a look at them, make sure that everything has the copper washers on it, and make sure none are down in the cylinder hole. So does that one. So we're all good. Here's what she's looking like. Gonna need some cleaning while it's all apart, but next thing you know, we'll be at South Central Diesel. We'll see you soon.